students. Good morning, ma'am. So today we are performing our experiment, dissolve or not. So you can all look here. So I have collected some things which we are going to dissolve in this water. So for our experiment, chalk powder need sugar, salt, 1 spoon oil, and 1 spoon we want water. Okay. So first of all, I want Sakshi come forward. Please take 1 spoon of soil. Here, take 1 spoon of soil and put in this water. It is now mix it. Please come forward. Look. Okay. So here we have mixed soil in this water. Now we will keep it. Okay. Then Anvi, take 1 spoon of chalk powder. Okay, mix it. Yeah. Okay. Rahul, take sugar, 1 spoon sugar. Mix in water. Mix it very well. Okay. Vikas, take 1 spoon of salt. Mix in this glass. Okay. Mix it very well. Done. Okay. Lastly, take 1 spoon of oil. Mix in the water. Okay, done. Mukesh, take 1 spoon of milk. Okay, now put in water. Mix it. Done. So you have seen, students, that we have taken different items and we have dissolved all these items in this glass. Okay, now we have to wait for 2 minutes and then we will observe what items are dissolved completely and what items are not. These are experiments, so we have to wait for 2 minutes. Okay, after waiting for 2 minutes, you can clearly observe what happening in this glass. Okay. So it is a sugar and we are dissolving it completely. For dissolving, we are just mixing the sugar into the water. Same for salt. You can clearly see. If you compare all the things, you can clearly observe the salt is fully dissolved in the water. It is observed or not? Can you see salt? No. So in this all objects, you can clearly see salt is dissolved firstly. After that, you can see sugar. Sugar is also in a condition of dissolving. It can be also dissolved. Okay, after 2 minutes, if you are looking, it is fully dissolved. Dissolved or not? Okay. Now, chalk powder. Could you see the chalk powder dissolving? It is dissolved or not? No, not dissolved. The salt particles are here. It is present on the bottom. So it is not dissolved. You all can see it, right? Okay. Then, what about soil? It is also not observed. It settled down in the bottom of the glass. It is settled down or not? You can clearly see it. It is also not dissolved. Then oil. So, I want you to look in oil. Oil is also not dissolved. You can clearly see the oil is settled down on the upper part of the water. Upper surface there is oil. You all can see, students? You all can see, right? So, soil is also not dissolved. Then we move to milk. It is dissolved? Yes. The water color is changed. It becomes white and it is dissolved because there is no particles. It is fully dissolved, but the color of water is changed. So, you can clearly see different items. Some items are dissolved, some items are not dissolved. So with this experiment, you can clearly see and we can get to know the items are dissolving or not dissolving, and we can also know about the soil, the oil that are settled down in the water. So thank you.
Thank you.